Welcome to This Week in Crypto, your weekly summary of the most important events that defined the cryptocurrency markets this week, brought to you by the PrimeXBT Trading Academy. On today's episode, Terra Luna and Terra US dollar wreak havoc in the lives of their investors. Good news for German crypto investors. Belgian museum working on tokenizing expensive painting allowing fractional ownership. Terra Luna and Terra US dollar wreaking havoc in the lives of their investors. After peaking close to $120 last month, the price of Terra Luna has declined by 99.97% to under $1, destroying almost $40 billion in market cap within just a couple of days. The dramatic decline was caused by fear of Terra's stablecoin Terra US dollar failing to honor its peg at $1. On social media, investors are sharing dramatic stories of losing their life savings, not being able to pay back loan at banks, or becoming homeless. On Twitter, there were reports of 22 people committing suicide over the Luna failure that has left the crypto community in shock. At the time of recording this video, investors are still waiting for a word from Terra founder Do Kwon on whether or not Terra US dollar and Terra Luna will continue to exist. Good news for German crypto investors. Germany's crypto ecosystem has finally received a nationwide guidance, with the Federal Ministry of Finance sharing a ruling in a 24-page document. It has clarified that investors in Germany are not going to be taxed on profits they made with digital assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum if the period of holding exceeds more than 1 year. It was also clarified that lending or staking one's digital assets does not lead to an extension of the holding period to 10 years. EU policy expert Patrick Hansen commented on the clarification that this is already a huge success and makes Germany a very attractive country crypto tax-wise. Belgian museum working on tokenizing expensive painting allowing for fractional ownership. The Royal Museum of Fine Arts Antwerp has partnered up with blockchain companies Ruby and Tokeny to tokenize the €1 million painting Carnaval de Bourges by Belgian artist James Ensor. This will allow investors to become co-owners of the painting. The painting will be tokenized on the Polygon blockchain, and interested investors are able to purchase a co-ownership for as low as €150. In an official announcement, the museum stated that it is the first European museum to tokenize a masterpiece to democratize art investments. How was your week in crypto? And have you also been affected by the demise of Terra Luna and Terra US dollar? Leave us a comment below. Also, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this.